right, Tinder in real life.
So I have a pickup line for you. It's like roses are red and you're cute as duck. Let's go on a date and we can
Versus Russian supermodel. आज की वीडियो में हमारे पास है 9 ओमेगल के क्रिएटर्स और कुछ ओमेगल के क्रिएटर्स नहीं है, बट ये वीडियो के चक्कर में सब आ गए हैं। मैं भी काफी ज्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ ये देखने के लिए आज की वीडियो में क्या होता है क्या नहीं। तो लेट द गेम बिगिन।
Hello everyone, my name is Viola, I'm 22 years young. I'm not Russian, I'm Ukrainian, and let's start this game.
Hello, my name is Mog, I'm 22 and you're also 22, like it's a perfect match already. So first of all, I'm given an assignment to write about beautiful things. So what's your name?
My name is Emily. My name is Viola.
छोटी कहीं की।
Emily, do you believe in science?
No.
You don't believe in science? Even I don't believe in science because they say the hottest thing in solar planet is sun. They have not looked at you. I mean, you are so hot.
But her name is not Emily.
I can just call you mine, that's it. I can just sit here and look at you all day.
You need to give me chocolate. You have chocolate?
I have a lot of chocolate.
Give me.
You can take my card, you can buy whatever you want. Take it.
I will like you only because you look like my brother.
और भी चीज़
भाई बना के राइट स्वाइप ले गया यार।
जो बहना के साथ ऐसा करते हैं उसको क्या कहते हैं पता है तुझे?
Hello, my name is Sarkaster. I'm 24 years old. As you can see, I can't be your brother because we have color differences. And I guess Russia isn't fighting against Ukraine for their rights or to make Ukraine part of Russia, but it's fighting against Russia. But it's fighting. One more time.
सत्तू सुपारी को और एक मौका दो प्लीज।
I think Russia is fighting against Ukraine not to make Ukraine part of Russia, but to make you a part of Russia. If I be Russia, I would also like to make you part of. तुम्हारे टाइम में जनाब बकचोदी की
Hey, guys, he say very good things. So, keep calm. Okay.
अब
Come here.
ये तू क्या कहना चाह रहा था मेरे को बिल्कुल समझ नहीं
देखो
आया।
मैं कह रहा था कि मैं तो आपका भाई नहीं बन सकता बिकॉज वी हैव कलर डिफरेंसेस। ऊपर से मैंने से कहा कि देखो रशिया जो है वो यूक्रेन से फाइट कर रहा है। इस कारण नहीं कर रहा कि यूक्रेन को अपना रशिया का पार्ट बना सके, बट इसलिए कर रहा है ताकि वो इसको अपना पार्ट बना सके।
Hi, my name is Jimmy. I'm 22 years old. So he has told me that he has got all the beautiful girls and he has paid. अबे बहन, अरे पहला सही जा रहा था यार।
कोई बात नहीं, take it easy.
One more time.
So he told me that he has paid all the beautiful girls to come for his video. So I just want to ask, did you come for free?
No.
So you wasted all your money.
जिम्मी अपना रिकॉर्ड मेंटेन कराते हुए आज तक किसी लड़की से राइट स्वाइप नहीं हुआ।
मीठा साला।
जिम्मी भी लाइक लड़की तो पटेगी नहीं, लड़की बन जाऊंगा।
Hi, my name is Archit and I'm 24.
भाई ये थोड़ी वो है भाई। भाई पहली बार देख रहा हूँ।
एक बात है वैसे, एक ट्राई आपका भी बनता है। एक ट्राई भाई, एक ट्राई।
पहले अर्चित को तो करने दो।
So I have a pickup line for you. It's like roses are red and you're cute as duck. Let's go on a date and we can. And you have to complete.
I like only your this. Check.
You wanna hold my cheeks?
Yes, chicks. It's like I like it. Right now? I like it. That's very good.
You wanna hold it? Okay.
जल में है मुन्ना ये।
ओ भाई, अब तो मेरी फोटो लगा के हार पहनाता रहा उसमें। जीते रहो बेटा, जीते रहो।
Hi Viola, my name is Udit and I'm 24 years old. You know, it takes around 1 year for a human being to walk on his feet, but it just took me 3 seconds to fall for you.
Okay, so what can I say about you? So no, I like your style.
Oh, thank you.
It's really nice, but you are a little bit short. Sorry.
You chose Sarkaster.
I'm so sorry, but I really like you.
Oh, love you. Love you too.
तू अब बॉडी तो नहीं दिखाने वाला आगे जाके।
सेकंड प्रिपेयर कर लेते हैं। हाँ, रेडी।
2 पुशअप्स मार ले जल्दी। Let's go.
Hi, my name is Anirudh and I just heard that you're from Ukraine, right?
Yes.
So, to be honest, I'd give it my all just like Russia to have you.
Oh. Okay, so if you replied what I will say now, you will go here.
I'll try.
Okay, tell me. Я кохаю тебе.
Я тебе люблю.
No, it's Russian.
Hey, my name is Valence Kundra. I'm 20 years old. I would like to take you on a movie date, but they don't know. यार वो हो गई. They don't. वो हो गई यार. यार वो इंग्लिश में दिक्कत हो गई. One more. I would like to take you on a movie date, but they don't allow snack inside.
I look like a chicken.
And I would like to take your leg piece.
Smile. Remove your hand. Smile. Oh, dimples, then go.
Oh, touch it.
ऐसा मजा तो इसको कभी टिंडर, बम्बल, हाइंज कोई भी डेटिंग ऐप पे नहीं मिला जो भाई ने फुकरा इंसान ने टिंडर.
Hi, my name is Vishwas. I'm 20.
Hi.
Do you have a house?
No.
No, but you can stay in my heart.
I will never give you second chance. Really, this is your new home.
Hi, my name is Saurabh. Like, I will rate you 9 out of 10. What you are going to rate me?
I don't understand.
वो ज़्यादा इंग्लैंड एक्सेंट में इंग्लिश हो गई. I will give you the rating 9 out of 10.
Which rating I will give you? 8 from 10. 8.
No, but I will give myself 1 because I am the one you are looking for.
You're looking like you are good guy, so welcome.
मैं तैयारी नहीं करके आया एक्चुअल में.
You are boss here or what?
आई एम द बॉस.
Malik, sit.
मैं रेडी नहीं हूँ फिर भी आई एम गोना ट्राई. ओके, आई वाज नॉट रेडी विद द लाइन. आर यू अ मैजिशियन? बिकॉज व्हेनेवर आई लुक एट यू ऑल ऑफ देम डिसअपीयर एंड अ बेल्ट अपीयर्स.
क्या बढ़िया था.
इफ यू वांट द पेमेंट, राइट स्वाइप.
लड़कियां खरीदता है.
मुझसे गलती हो गई, सॉरी. ले जाइए इन्हें.
चलो.
अरे पैसे की दोस्त किसको दिखाता है?
Money not work with me.
Looking at you, I think we should give you a makeup kit. Always remember, if I get the left swipe, I'm not gonna pay.
I will pay.
एक सेकंड, तू बहुत बोल रहा है, पकड़ और निकल.
पैसों से प्यार को तोला नहीं जाता.
अरे
भाई
सो दिए.
राइट मार दूंगा.
110 लो.
अभी तो डबल कर दिया.
चलो राउंड 2 चलते हैं.
Hello, my name is Nastya. I'm from Russia. I'm 21 years old. And interesting fact about me, I never used Tinder in my life. So let's try.
I don't have words for you. Literally, I have one pickup line for you.
Okay.
I'll not judge your heart by its cover. I'll just put my hand and discover
To discover what?
your heart.
Oh. So you're excited about me?
बेटा मन में लड्डू फूटा.
Yeah, if you want.
I like the watermelon on your shirt.
I have bananas too.
Okay, like you.
Hi, my name is Archit and basically I'm a content creator, but apart from that I have a good knowledge in medical. Basically I can just hold your hand and check you up like you are fine and everything is fine. So may I?
So I give you my hand?
Oh shit.
I'm dying?
No, you are suffering from lack of vitamin. Me.
Okay, good. So I like it.
इसको खुशी इस बात की कि इसका हाथ पकड़ लिया.
Hi, my name is Keshav. Can you tell me who is president of Russia?
You want me to speak Russian?
Can you tell me the president of Russia?
The best part?
Can you tell me president of Russia?
Oh, the president, of course. I know him, but you know?
Can you tell the name of?
Yes, I can.
Then tell.
Putin?
So can I put in me inside your heart?
No.
But जनरल नॉलेज नहीं है ना.
तुझे पता था?
मुझे तो पता था.
ट्यूनीशिया के वाइस प्रेसिडेंट का नाम बता.
वो भी आई ना. नहीं वो क्या.
हाँ, नहीं पता ना. इंडिया के वाइस प्रेसिडेंट का नाम पता है. ट्यूनीशिया के वाइस प्रेसिडेंट का नाम क्यों नहीं पता?
मैं बताता हूँ. Because he doesn't even acknowledge Africa. Because the people are black there. He's a bloody racist.
लड़की आते सब ऐसे पलट जाते हैं.
Hi, my name is Saurabh. Do you know why Ukraine lost? Do you know war with Ukraine and Russia? And do you know why Ukraine lost with Russia?
No.
Because the bomb they were looking for was you.
नाइस था तो बढ़िया. लाइन बढ़िया थी पर भाई की इंग्लिश ना फ्रेम नहीं हो पा रही थी.
But it was nice. So like button for you.
Proud.
Select हो गया क्या?
Proud.
Select हो गया.
आपको खुद लगता है सिलेक्शन नहीं होनी चाहिए ना?
Hi, my name is Anirudh. I'm 22 years old, and as I can see, I'm the tallest one here, and you are quite tall. So make what that of will. And apart from that, I would say you look quite fit.
Taller?
He's slightly taller, but the thing is, he's not here for participating, so you can move. So I would like to say you're quite fit. I work out as well. We could go on a gym date maybe sometime.
You know, you look like a Brazil actually. Where are you from?
I'm from India as well, Delhi.
From India, but look
Delhi,
like
Delhi.
Brazil. I like you, your style.
And I like you.
Yeah, I like tall guys, of
उधर
course.
वापसी लेफ्ट स्वाइप चला जा.
Hi.
Hi,
What's your name again?
Nastya.
Actually, it's very hard to pronounce. So
You can call Nastya.
can I call you baby?
No,
Okay. If I have powers to rearrange alphabets, I'll put you and I together.
Oh, okay. Hello.
Natasha, do you have any boyfriend?
You know, for some boys I have, for some boys I don't have. So sorry, but for you I have.
ठुकरा के मेरा प्यार तू इंतकाम देखेगी.
चड्डी में से हाथ निकाल फिर दिखाना.
Hello, my name is Monk. I'm 22. You know, I'm sad.
Why?
Because I lost my kids.
Kids?
Yes.
So you have kids?
No, I lost them. I don't have them now. But you can help me.
I don't want.
You can.
Hi, my name is Jimmy. I'm 22 years old. So firstly, got a very beautiful smile. And secondly,
You forgot?
बेचारे भूल गए होंगे टेंशन बहुत है ना.
so I never believed in love at first sight. But after looking at you, I still don't believe in it.
यहाँ से चलते हैं नेक्स्ट राउंड पे. लेट्स गो.
Hello, my name is Valentina. I'm from Russia and I like to travel and hiking.
Hey, my name is Valence. By the way, I like your earrings. I have one pickup line for you. My life is like a deck of cards. Why don't you be queen of my heart?
You're so hot, but I'm from cold country, sorry.
Hi, my name is Archit. Maybe I'm not the good-looking guy in this room, but I must say like I'm the richest one because I have Fukra Insan wallet. So how much you gonna take to say yes to all of them?
I don't sell myself.
Hi, my name is Monk. I'm 22. What's your name?
Valentina.
It's very hard. You know, you remind me of an ice cream. When I look at you, I cannot figure out either to lick you or eat you.
It's very nice, and you also look like a skater. I like skateboarding, so.
Let's go दोस्तों. Thank you very much. इसको जो भी लड़की आए इसको राइट स्वाइप दे देना, नहीं यही रो देगा.
My name is Udit and I am 24 years old. You know, have you studied science? You know what happens in zero gravity? Everything starts floating. But even in zero gravity, I still fall for you.
It was very nice.
Hi Valentina, I don't have pickup line for you, but I have one letter for you. If you can read it loud, it would be better because I'm really speechless.
Sorry, but I cannot read English.
That's why I can read it. भाई कितनी अनपढ़ है यार.
तो भाई ने लिखा है, he has written,
You made
me speechless, so I'm writing this. I know you are from from largest country in the world, Russia.
But I don't like
guys behind me have smallest things in the world. Behind me कौन? साला तुम्हें बोल रहा है.
But how did you check it?
As you are from one of the coldest country, I want to put you in my heart where I can keep you warm and safe.
It was nice, but I've already told that I like cold.
So it's a right swipe or a left swipe? चेक कर।
Okay, you can go on right side.
ये तो एक्सपेक्टेड ही नहीं था भाई।
Like, say something for me. Like, repeat after. Can you repeat after me?
Yes.
Like, say, मैं
मैं तुमसे
प्यार
करती
हूँ।
लड़की दमदार है।
I have a reply for it. Okay. या तेबे तेज लाइलू बिल्लू आइलू।
चाय मांग रहा है। हाँ, चाय मांग रहा है।
It was very nice. Go right.
क्या बोला भाई?
I love you too.
Hi, my name is Anirudh. I am 22 years old. And do you like Spider-Man?
No.
So once a spider bit Peter Parker, he became Spider-Man. So would you like to bite me so that I can become your man?
I can bite you.
You can.
So now you my man.
Hi, I'm Vishwas, I'm 20. You choose these guys, but the Dora in you still won't explore.
I don't like the exploration of people, so you can go there.
विश्वास, तू मन में रख विश्वास, तू होगा कामयाब एक दिन।
Hi, since you have told everyone that you are from the coldest country, I just want to ask you, did you take a shower today?
I did.
This one. It's a nice deodorant.
Okay, come closer, please.
No, not.
तुम्हारी माँ कसम। जब अपनी पे आने लगती है ना तो इंसान भागता भागता जाता है।
मुंह पे डाल देती भाई। थोड़ी हूँ मैं। Nothing before marriage. I'm very like so left or right. Give me my perfume back.
चलो गाइस, यहाँ से चलते हैं अब नेक्स्ट राउंड पे। Let's go.
Hi, my name is Lalita. I know you have this name in India, but I was born in Russia. So let's see what can happen here.
Hi, my name is Archit and I'm a musician. I'll tell you how. I wasn't playing cards, but I think I picked a queen. Just look at your card.
And I am the king.
Okay, it's originally.
Thank you. आप कार्ड में बिजी हो। क्या कर रहे हो? राइट स्वाइप हो गया?
हाँ।
चलो ओके।
Hi, my name is Saurav. Like, I heard many girls like dancer boys. That's right. So I have a special dance for you. Okay?
What a song, baby song by Normax, sound teacher Max. Yo.
What does it mean?
It's my special dance.
No, sorry, you don't. Good dancer.
No, I'm good dancer. I also know Mithun. You know Mithun?
Oh, but you crazy. I like crazy people. Okay.
राइट स्वाइप। बाजीगर ये बाजीगर।
Hi, my name is Monk. I'm 22. Is your name Lalita?
Lalita.
Yeah, right.
So you have an Indian name. All you need is Indian boyfriend. So I can be one. हंस लो यार थोड़ा तो कुछ होगा यार।
I give you.
Well, you're giving me one more chance.
Yeah.
Can you rate me out of 1 to 10?
5.
I cannot rate you because you just broke my scale. अच्छा तो है यार अच्छा।
मजा नहीं आया। आपको आया?
No.
देखा भाई का जवाब भी देते हैं हिंदी में।
You know what's the similarity between you and Fukra Insan videos? Even though there is so much involvement of money, but in return we get happiness, cuteness, and so much entertainment.
क्यों बेटे इधर आ।
भाई तो खुश हो गया।
मैंने एक्सेप्ट किया तेरे को।
Tell me what your passion.
I like to make videos.
It's not good answer. You should tell me your.
अगली लाइन मार रही है तेरे पे शर्म
Okay.
कर।
Repeat. What is your passion?
You. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Udit and I'm 24 years old. You really have beautiful eyes, first of all. Can I come closer because I think there is something in your eyes.
Okay.
Oh, it's just me. I have a pickup line for you. Is there any airport nearby or is just my heart taking off after looking at you?
It's so sweet. Sorry, I have idiot.
You're on diet.
Guys.
Okay, so you are on diet. But it's sugarless, like no calories.
Okay. Like.
हाँ वो वाली बात है ना कोशिश करने वालों की हार नहीं होती भाई लगा ही रहता है।
Hi, my name is Anirudh. I'm 22 years old. And is your name the Hulk?
No.
Because I think we'd be pretty incredible together.
ओए होए।
अच्छी है ना? अच्छी है। अच्छी तो he likes
अच्छा,
it.
अच्छा।
You like it? अच्छा है?
Acha, acha.
मेरे से सबसे अच्छा हो रहा है आज तुम?
Okay.
That was simple.
Easy.
I like you. as well. Can I have your Instagram as well after the shoot?
We'll see.
Hi, I'm Vishwas, I'm 20. Your eyes are so beautiful.
Thank you.
By the way, what kind of relationship do you like?
Not serious.
I like a relationship just like 50-50.
How is it?
I will give you my last name and you will scream my first name.
Okay, it's nice.
Yeah. Hey, my name is Valens Kundra. I'm 20 years old and you are so beautiful. I'm good in maths. I'll add one bed, subtract your clothes, divide your legs and multiply it.
No.
वैलेंस विश्वास हो रहा है तेरे को लेफ्ट साइड मिला है
हाँ तो ये तो मुझे पता था.
Hi, my name is Jimmy. What's yours?
Lalita.
Lalita. Okay, Lalita, I think you don't deserve just one boyfriend. You deserve 10 boyfriends. But the only catch is that they all should be blind.
What most interesting romantic thing you can do right now?
Right now I can't do, but later tonight I can do. This video is coming on YouTube, so I cannot do everything here, but I would have surely done if it was only fans.
भाई का रोमांस में दिमाग में कुछ और ही भर रखा है यहाँ से चलते हैं अपने 5th और फाइनल राउंड पे लेट्स गो
Hi guys, my name is Elena. I'm from Russia. I'm 32 years old. I like it psychology, politics. Also, I enjoy knowledge about cryptocurrency. Let's meet and see what's up. Hello.
Hi, my name is Saurabh. Are you a motorcycle?
What? Motorcycle? I drive scooter only. I like it motorcycle, but from aesthetic point of view. I like it nice Royal Enfields. It's like very beautiful cycles, and I like it Harley Davidson. Of course, it's big.
No, because I want to ride you all day and then I will sell you for a newer model.
What you say? What? Please go learn to talk to women. It's insulting how you talk. Next.
Hi, my name is Anirudh. I'm 22. And are you into toxic guys by any chance?
No.
You're not?
I hate toxic guys.
I'm sorry, I'm toxic. The thing is that I have no interest in algebra and I believe you're maths, so.
Very good. Then why you come to talk to me?
He told me to come here.
हो गया चलो
Hi. So first of all, I literally forget everything after looking at you.
Oh, so
Like,
sweet of you.
but I'll still say something. So roses are red, violets are blue. I look good, but damn, look at you. I have one more. You know what's common between you and Moon?
In Moon?
Moon and you.
Okay.
You both are so beautiful.
You're a poet. You're a poet.
Yeah, and you know what's the difference between Moon and you? Moon is so far away from me, but you are so close to me.
Thank you. You're a real gentleman.
Thank you so much.
Right, of course. Even if we could be nice friends and have a.
Yeah, we'll.
कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन तेरा काम हो गया डन ऑल द बेस्ट मेरे को वीडियोस क्लिप्स भेज दो ठीक है अगर वो मना करती है तो रोना नहीं है नीचे मेरे को नहीं जाना मेरे को पकड़ लो मेरे को नहीं जाना
Hi, my name is Monk. I'm 22. Are you into younger guys? Like you're 32. I'm 22. So are you into younger guys?
No, darling.
No.
You're too sweet and too nice, but like.
But I'm into like older women, you know. I like.
I know, but what we talk about, about hip hop, I don't like it hip hop.
You don't like hip hop?
No.
I don't like you because I love hip hop. Hip hop is everything. So sorry, I'm going. I'm leaving.
आजा
I'm
तेरे
leaving.
साथ हो रहा है
As we are from the coldest country and in cold lips get dry easily. So whenever you need to moisturize those lips, you can use my lips.
Ooh, that's too fast and too kind of speedy, I'm so sorry, I need more respect left.
आजा इधर आजा तूने तो अच्छा काम करा था
क्या करूं भाई समझ नहीं आता इनको इंटरनेट की चीपी लाइनें अच्छी लगती हैं
Have you ever sit on F5 key?
What is 5 key in keyboard?
F5, control plus F5.
High five. No, I don't understand. What is it?
Have you ever sit on F5 key of keyboard?
I'm not into programming.
You know what's keyboard?
Yes, of course.
There's an F5 key.
F5, what does mean F5?
What's the function?
Because you are too refreshing to me.
Oh, so nice, thank you.
Yeah. By the way, are you feminist by any chance?
No, I'm not actually feminist, but I built human respect to each other,
Yeah.
And no, I like that sexual frustration which these guys show, like from first 3 words, it's irritating. Yeah, tell me about yourself, what you doing in life?
I'm also feminist because I would love to see you on top.
What? Another Kamatik Purik. Come on, guys, you could do better.
Hi, ma'am. My name is Valens Kundra. I'm 20 years old and you're so beautiful. Yeah. I'm lost. Can you give me direction to your heart?
Just be friends first of all.
Oh, yeah,
Talk
sure.
to me like a human.
Yes.
Yeah, not like a sex gender, not
No,
like
no,
a
no.
cheesy stuff. Respect me like your mother, sister, or your any good friend.
You are not my mother. You are here for a Tinder.
But I respect.
That's why I'm respecting
but
you. I'm not
Anybody
insulting you.
deserve respect. Anybody deserve
I'm
respect.
giving you the
Why you
respect.
allowed to speak to woman or girl?
I
like
just
you
asked
not
for the
speak
direction to your heart.
भाई नहीं जाना भाई. Hi, my name is Archit and you are such a piece of art. I mean, क्या कारीगरी है? Like, let's flip a coin. If head, I am yours, and if tail, you are mine. Let's go. No. छोड़ भाई आजा तू.
So, hi. I need to get my house whitewashed. So, can you please give me the number of the person who whitewashed your face?
Can you explain this joke?
I'll explain in a very easy manner, okay? Very easy manner. You'll get to know in 1 second. Tell me this thing, are you single?
No.
Then what are you doing here?
Having fun?
We are also having fun. If you are the last alive girl on the earth, then we all are gay.
At least I'm not a single. You are.
Alright guys, that's it for today's video. वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो like करना, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.